All right, see you on Igbo Cultural Festival, first edition. We're here to show you our moves on another round, on another vibe. Like when you talk of culture, yes, Igbo is here to present to you our rich culture. If you take a look at our background here, you see that this is what our forefathers were using then to save water for themselves, which today now we see that people no longer use it, they use tank. But this is what they were using before. So we're here to take you back to our forefathers' way of living then. If you look at it, you see that it's very beautiful, the settings. Look at the way they kept everything. This is how they were storing their water. So Igbo Cultural Festival is here to bring to you cultural activities, different cultural activities. So if you're the type that love culture, yes, join us on this to show the world our culture, how unique our culture is, to showcase our rich culture to the world. On the Igbo Cultural Festival coming up 29th December 2026, we'll be having different cultural activities, different unique cultural activities, showing to the world that our culture is unique. So for sponsorship, call or send email to igbobanculturalfestival@gmail.com or WhatsApp us on 08061227058. Let's go! So if you take a look at it, you see that, yes, Egwu Ordinary. Yes, we take a look at them that set Igede Ndi, so that are here to show the world that, yeah, this is what they're known for. They can play the drum, the style that gives the vibes that when you hear it, you must dance. Yes, it will give you the energy to dance. So guys, let's go there. Let's go.